Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create multi-column data list. So in the previous video, we saw that all the 6 books are displayed in the vertical manner. Here, if you look at the screenshot, using the multi-column data list, we will be displaying the records in 2 rows and 3 columns. Let's see how to generate the multi-column data list. We can arrange data in multiple columns and rows using the data list control. Each cell denotes one record. Suppose if we have 4 records in the database, using the data list control, we can list those in separate rows. The same way, we can display this in multiple columns as well. Here if you see, the 4 column we represented it here in the 4 rows, we represented that here in 2 columns and 2 rows. But here if you see, it is displayed as a list. When we display records in multiple column, we can state that as a multi-column data list. In this video, we set some properties to display results in multiple columns. So we set some properties for the data list control, right? So once we do this, we can display the records in multiple columns. Like a grid, we can display the records. Now let's go to the demo. So here we are picking the data list control, selecting that and going to properties. Grid line at present, if you see, it is none. Now we can state we need both grid lines because we want to display the records in multiple columns. Since here we are talking about the grid lines, we need to go to source and remove the horizontal ruler which already exists. So I'm just deleting that. Then we can go here and ask for grid line on both horizontal as well as vertical directions. Next, here we will set repeat columns as 3, right? Then repeat direction, we want to set it as horizontal. So that means if we name the record as number, the repeat direction tells that 1, 2, 3. Since repeat column is 3, 4 will come here, 4, 5. So that is repeat direction horizontal. If you keep repeat direction as vertical, then the record will be displayed like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see the difference? So at present we are using repeat column as 3 and repeat direction as horizontal. Now we will also set width. Here I am choosing width as 600 pixel. So that's all. Now we can go ahead and run this in a browser. Now if you see, the records are displayed in horizontal as well as vertical, or simply it is displayed as a multi-column report, right? This is record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the flow is horizontal, and when it reaches the repeat column here is 3, the 4th column will come in next row, and the direction is left to right. Simply we can state it as horizontal. So just read here the red books. Barnum's, and News and Views. Right now, we will change this as vertical, and we will reload this or refresh this. If you see Eric the Red Books, Barnum is coming here. The flow direction is vertical, then News and Views. Right? So now the record is going top to bottom, then it is running like this. That's all about the multi-column data list. These are all the important properties: grid lines, repeat direction, then repeat columns. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.